Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious creamy steak pasta that's full of veggies and tender pieces of steak made with a homemade cream sauce that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Merry COOKMAS Day 19. Thank you guys so much for hanging for another episode of COOKMAS. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this wonderful creamy steak pasta. Again, all of these flavors are going to pair well together to make one delicious bite, and it might just be your new favorite weeknight meal. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so that's it. That was the creamy steak pasta. Yet the flavors are fantastic. Within every bite you get that tender piece of steak along with the veggies and that creamy homemade sauce that we made to go along with everything, just encase those noodles so well. You want to use a big noodle because it will hold on better to all the sauces and give you those nice little nooks and crannies full of sauce. Definitely give this one a try, guys. You're certainly going to enjoy it. As I said, it might just be your new favorite weeknight meal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, so please go ahead and leave me that thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've had creamy steak pasta before. Share this video out. Certainly appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys. Happy holidays.